In the vast darkness of space, a realm where silence reigns, a symphony unfolds. This isn't the music of terrestrial instruments, but rather the whispers of the universe. Although human ears cannot perceive these hidden sounds, technology bridges the gap, translating vibrations and waves into sounds we can experience. The journey begins with a focus on solar wind. Jets of charged particles ejected from the sun travel through space, creating waves that dance across the solar system. With specialized equipment, scientists convert these movements into audible sounds, resembling the gentle rustle of leaves combined with sporadic crackles. Next, we move toward Jupiter's magnetosphere. This giant planet, swirling with intense magnetic fields, produces a rich tapestry of frequencies. On Earth, these become eerie, low-frequency hums, evocative of alien winds sweeping across distant worlds. In the shadow of Saturn, its rings present another marvel. Dust particles collide, and as they do, the vibrations echo across millions of miles. Technologies enable us to hear these interactions as cascading, shimmering tones that seem to reflect starlight itself. The narrative shifts to the depths of a black hole. Here, sound cannot escape, yet gravitational waves, rippling outwards, betray their presence. Instruments such as laser interferometers capture these waves, transforming them into sound suggesting a deep, resonating gong, signifying the universe's most profound mysteries. Voyaging beyond our galaxy, we encounter cosmic microwave background radiation, relics from the birth of the universe. This ancient vibration, persistent across eons, when made audible, offers a whispering drone, a reminder of creation's dawn. As the story unfolds, it becomes clear these sounds serve as more than mere curiosities. They're narratives, each carrying tales of cosmic events, stellar births, and colossal endings. They provide clues to our origins and perhaps foretell our future. In weaving together these tales of sound, the video not only explores scientific marvel but also connects us to the vast, unseen universe. We are reminded that while space appears silent, it is filled with stories expressed in waves and vibrations, urging us to listen closely to the whispers of the cosmos.